हेलो एंड वेलकम टू दिस एपिसोड ऑफ मार्केट क्या लगता है। मार्केट क्या लगता है कि इस नए एपिसोड में आप सभी का स्वागत है। निफ्टी, एज यू कैन सी देयर इज़ नो साइन ऑफ वीकनेस इन निफ्टी एज ऑफ नाउ। जो हम देख रहे हैं, द काइंड ऑफ एक्शन दैट वी आर सीइंग इन निफ्टी इज़ प्रिटी अमेजिंग। लेट्स क्विकली गो एंड चेक what is the summary that we have for this particular week. So निफ्टी के समरी के जब हम बात करते हैं तो we had our range for nifty between 13,580 and 13,402. So nifty comfortably above this level right now, and bank nifty which was struggling between the range of 30,807 and 30,202. So it is still struggling and is within this range, right? So bank nifty and nifty both are not in sync with each other, which is also a kind of a sign of warning for us. Let us quickly go and check what is the message that I have shared on the group. This is, I believe, my yesterday's message. So this is 17th of December. There was a live trading session for our mentorship batch yesterday, and in that live trading session traders executed amazing trades, right? So some of the trades were process oriented, some of the trades were profit oriented. So my message yesterday was categorically nifty is comfortably above this level of 13,580, but the price action doesn't confirm the momentum is lacking in the nifty action. Bank nifty on the other hand is within the range, struggling. If we need to see a range breakout, we need participation from banks, as the participation is limited. So the stocks that we were looking at, Wipro, HDFC Bank and Bajaj Auto, out of them HDFC Bank performed on the same day, and Bajaj Auto and Wipro, they have performed today. And now quickly have a look at the trades. I want to share one specific trade. This is a trade by our mentorship student Sandeep Dhake. And Sandeep Dhake, his positional trade for a couple of days in Eicher Motors, Escorts and Hero MotoCorp. So future trades and all trades he exited yesterday morning. So 9:27 he exited, and that was an amazing kind of a trade. And these kind of profits keeps on coming for someone like Sandeep, so who takes a bigger kind of exposure, bigger position, and that becomes easier for him to trade on a daily basis. So what is my message for the day? आज के दिन का मैसेज क्या है? So started the message with the similar line. Nifty is comfortably above 13,580, but Bank Nifty has broken out of the range. Now what has happened? Bank Nifty had broken out of the range, and then again it has fallen back into that range. See, what I'm doing here is I'm just taking a clue from indices. Am I aggressive on the indices? No, not at all. Why I'm sharing these messages, both days messages with you, is for a very simple reason that the way I'm focusing on individual stocks is something very important, and that's how I think this in this current market, in this current indecisive market, as far as indices are concerned, we have to focus on individual stocks. So Reliance, TCS, Wipro, again HDFC Bank and Lupin were some of the stocks that I was monitoring, and Bajaj Finance as well. So Bajaj Finance has given us better returns, amazing returns in this particular week. There were fantastic trades taken in Bajaj Finance. We were waiting for Reliance to break out. So Reliance has given some move in the last 1 hour, right? So let's see if that momentum is carried on till Monday, will be an important thing to be observed. Cool. So now let's move on to the charts. And on the charts, weekly candle of Nifty is just roaring ahead, right? So it's a good 1.83% movement, 246 points move in a span of a week. And here, if we quickly go on an hourly chart. Now see this area, just like the previous week's closing, this week's closing also looks like an important resistance level. So this level itself is an important resistance level. But what if this range again breaks out? What if Nifty breaks out of this particular range? So what's going to happen? What can be the target for this coming week? If Nifty breaks out of this range, in that case, the target is going to be 13,850. right? So 13,850 will be one target. See, it has become very casual kind of a process. Nifty inching higher high every day, every other day, every new week. So उसमें कोई भी नॉवेल्टी नहीं बची है निफ्टी की मूवमेंट में, है ना? एंड अनलेस एंड अनटिल वी सी अ फॉल इन निफ्टी, we are not going to talk about bearish targets. But if that happens, then in that case our previous higher low of this target will play a very crucial role, 13,400. So next possible bullish target, for Nifty. So this is the level that I'm looking at, and it has to break this level decisively. Nifty must break this level of 13,771 decisively. Breakout. ओके और ये ब्रेकआउट अगर होता है तो ही नेक्स्ट टारगेट जो है वो एक्टिवेट होता है. फॉल, द लेवल, द रेंज फॉर फॉल विल बी लिमिटेड अप टिल दिस 13,402, और वही हमारे लिए एक रेंज इस वीक के लिए देखने के लिए मिलेगी. लगभग 450 पॉइंट्स की ये रेंज है, 13,850 एंड 13,402. तो ये रेंज के बीच में मार्केट मेरे ख्याल से होना चाहिए इस आने वाले वीक में. Let's quickly go on to Bank Nifty and check what's happening in Bank Nifty. So in case of Bank Nifty as well, now here the candle is very interesting. If you look at this candle, previous week का अगर candle आप देखते हो तो यहाँ पे you will see that it's a very doji kind of a candle. हाँ, जहाँ पे open हुई है प्राइस वहीं पे close हुआ है. The movement of 109 points for Bank Nifty is like 15 मिनट का काम है. 15 मिनट की कैंडल में 100 पॉइंट आराम से बैंक निफ्टी दे देता है. इस बार पूरे वीक की एक्शन में बैंक निफ्टी ने 100 पॉइंट्स दिए हैं. डोंट गेट फूल्ड बाय दिस एक्शन. ऐसा मत बिल्कुल सोचिए कि यहाँ से रिवर्सल आपको मिलेगा. इफ़ देयर इज़ अ रिवर्सल देयर विल बी अ कन्फर्मेशन ऑफ इट. हाँ, और अनलेस एंड अनटिल वी गेट अ कन्फर्मेशन, डोंट अज्यूम कि मार्केट में रिवर्सल होगा. दिसंबर का मंथ है. टेक्निकली दिस मंथ इज़ वेरी चैलेंजिंग for a very simple reason. Technical analysis works best when there is participation in market. If the participation is less in market, the technical analysis signals falter at times, and that's precisely the reason जो भी stock आप select करते हो, जो भी index select करते हो, it has to have good participation, and that's what create proper sentiments. जो judgment या जो signal हमें मिलते हैं, those signals are created by the participation in that particular index. So from this point of view, if we are talking about a bullish target in case of Bank Nifty, so I'll just quickly take this low to this high, and my next target for Bank Nifty would be 31,108. Okay, so this will be my target. 31,108 is the next bullish target for Bank Nifty. ठीक है. Now the most important point is, see, previous week we have drawn this rectangle. What is the purpose when I draw this rectangle? You have to understand that whenever we draw a rectangle, I am seeing that the market may consolidate at this point in time, and that's the reason. As you can see, after this week's action, the market was consolidating for the entire week, and now it has given us a shift, range shift of this zone, right? जहाँ पे ये एक लेवल है हमारे पास. Okay, and this is the high. This is the high. So ये एक zone हमारे पास है, I would say. ठीक है. सो ये जोन के बीच में एज लॉन्ग एज द मार्केट इज बिटवीन दिस जोन, तो वो चैलेंज है. देन इट हैज़ टू ब्रेक डिसाइसिवली दिस अपर लेवल, सो दैट वो टारगेट हमारा कंप्लीट हो जाए, राइट। बैंक निफ्टी मस्ट ब्रेक आउट above this level of 30,946. So 30,950 पकड़ लीजिए. It has to break out of this level so that 31,000 का जो पड़ाव है वहाँ पे बैंक निफ्टी पहुँचता हुआ हमें दिखाई देगा. So इस वीक के लिए आई थिंक इतना काफ़ी होगा. Always keep in mind last week of the month, right? In the last week of the month the participation will be less. Traders go on a holiday, FIIs are on holidays, and in that particular phase it becomes difficult for the trader to trade. Avoid indices. हाँ, कोई ज़रूरी नहीं कि आप indices में ही trade करो, and you can trade very well in individual stocks. How do we identify individual stocks? And then accordingly you can keep on trading into those stocks. Keep an eye on Reliance for the coming week and it can play a very crucial role, right? So this is how we have to look at the week ahead. Thank you so much for watching this video. Enjoy your trading time ahead.